place to be. It can't be.
We were close once. We started this whole Expendables thing together, but we had a falling out.
What are you gonna do?
Reload. Welcome to the 21st century.
I could do that.
Want to slip on a dress and give it a shot?
This is it? This is your team?
Short notice.
Yeah, very short.
This house until we knock it down, so turn the volume loud. It's been to the ears, beat the pace up like crazy.
The hell is that?
Let yourself go. Say forget before we kick the bucket. Life's too short to not love.
Hey, Barney, you should have killed me while you had the chance. You want them, kids? Come get them.
You were stupid enough to get yourself into this space. We're the only ones crazy enough to get you out of it.
Couldn't take the stairs?
How hard can it be to kill 10 men?
Insane. Courageous, but insane.
These guys are nuts.